Hi again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve absolute value inequalities. With the focus on this video, I will be focusing on the less than or equal to inequality. Okay. So please, I'd like you to pause the video and take notes for the steps. Okay. Or you can just take a picture and follow with me. Okay. Okay, so what is the first step to solve absolute value inequalities? So the first step here, you want to isolate the absolute value. So you want the absolute value, which is right here, okay? Absolute value of 4x minus 1 to be all by itself, okay? Can you please go ahead and isolate the absolute value? Please pause the video and isolate it. Okay, so after isolating the absolute value, and what was the goal, okay? So you want to rewrite the equation the inequality without the absolute value. Okay, how do you rewrite this inequality without the absolute value? Okay, please pause the video and do that. Okay, so I hope you're able to get the same expression. So the way I did it is you want to find a distance, the number that gives us a distance less than or equal to 10. So on the number line, okay, they have two numbers that have a distance equal or less than 10. So if I assume this is 10, so I have a number 10, okay, as well as the number negative 10, okay. So negative 10, okay, and the number greater than negative 10, and I also have 10 and the number less than 10, okay. By using one inequality, I can rewrite them as like this, okay. So I can see that the solution that are distance less than 10 or equal to 10 are in between the number negative 10 and positive 10, okay. And make sure the arrow is pointed to the left. So the number here are the distance, the solution here are less than equal to 10. So those number right here, okay, they are less than or equal to 10. What are those number right here? Those x value, okay, they are compared, those number right here compared to negative 10 because they're closer to 0, they're greater than, okay. So those number here are greater than 10, okay, or negative 10 is less than equal to this number here. That's what the inequality is saying. So we are not done yet, okay. We will work the absolute the inequality without the absolute value. So the next step is to solve for x. So please stop the video and stop for x. Okay, the first step to solve for x, for I need to remove the negative 1. So I have to add 1 on both sides. And the next step to isolate the multiplication of 4, what do I have to do? I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. Okay, so now I end up with negative 9 over 4 is less than equal to x, and x is also, I forgot, x is less or equal to 11 over 4, and that's the solution. Okay, I just want to let you know, sometimes you end up with integers, and sometimes you end up with fractions. Okay, but if you want to grab this, for me, I want to grab this, so I'm going to turn negative 9, I want to find the decimal of negative 9 over 4, which is about negative 2.25, and 11 divided by 4, which is about 2.75. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the number line and shade the solution area on the number line. Okay, so I identify the negative 0.25 is right here, okay, and the positive 2.75 is right here, and the solution is going to be all the number in between those two numbers, okay, and you want to include the number 2.75, positive 2.75, and negative 2.25. That's why I use a full dot, okay. So that's a graph, if you ask to graph. And remember, you want to find the distance, the number that gives us a distance less than 10, okay? So if you want to, if you take any number not in this interval, it will not make this inequality true. So only those numbers within this domain restriction, this region, okay, we make this inequality absolute value inequality true. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.